everybody, welcome to my video. We're building a quad rack today. We're first going to get the material in. We're going to start cutting some 45s so that we can bend it all into one square tube frame. We're going to weld that sucker, grind the welds flush, test fit in the bed of the truck, clamp her down. Now we're making the top portion of the rectangle, put it into position for welding. We're going to make our taxle TIG. What's up? Why is my earbud hanging out? Put your mask up, boy. Cut out some more parts. Make sure it's all square. Move over to the plasma table. Cut out some gussets. Custom design gussets. Lay out some welds intermittently. Weld them suckers. Take it to the sandblasting booth and sandblast that. Add some meshing guard, throw another gusset in there, build the headache rack portion, put some fat welds on that sucker, drill some new holes, chamfer them frickers, finish everything up, remove all the BBs. Welcome. This is the finishing portion of the quad rack build. As you can see, we have some Raptor liner. Do it yourself. Truck bed, spray in bed liner coating. Durable as all get out. I got some in my eye, and my eyes were shut like concrete. Ah, yes. The black looks so good in the bed of my truck. The bed liner was $134 for 4 liters. All the material together to build this quad rack costed $186. Let's do a quick walk around, shall we? With the quad up top. Looks pretty good. Little test run. This is the first time taking it up. Pretty chill, pretty chill. Ah, nice and easy. Right where it should go. Money. It's almost like I designed it for that. After a long day of ripping, all nice and muddy. Little time lapse about to go down. Obviously I'm wearing the proper protection. For y'all's knowledge, this entire structure was made up of 11 gauge carbon steel tubing and 3/16 angle iron. What's up?